All right, go folks. Finally, we have the news behind the high jumps after hours on GameStop price, AMC, and the other meme stocks in general across the board. Actually, GameStop just announced that they are going to enter the NFT by having their own platform. GameStop shares search on report it will create NFT marketplace. You can see that at the time of recording this video, it was updated 43 minutes ago. Shares rose 14% in extended trading on Thursday, which is today. So what is actually happening? Let's jump into the article. GameStop shares rose over 14% in extended trading. It's actually now at 32% on Thursday after the Wall Street Journal reported the retailer plans to create a marketplace for non-fungible tokens, often called NFTs. GameStop plans to establish cryptocurrency partnerships to create games and items for the marketplace, according to the report, which cited people familiar with the matter. The report suggests that GameStop, which has been at the center of a retail trader frenzy, will expand into one of the most hyped sectors in technology, OpenSea, the best known NFT marketplace, which was recently valued at 13.3 billion US dollars by investors. NFT are a kind of technology that allows proof of ownership of digital goods to be stored on a blockchain, often Ethereum. NFT prices have risen in recent months, driven by enthusiasm from cryptocurrency holders on the potential for the technology. GameStop's marketplace will focus on virtual video games, goods such as character outfits and weapons, according to the report. GameStop didn't immediately return a request for comment. At its closing price on Thursday, GameStop stock is down over 59% from its peak in January 2021. So here is it, folks. This is the actual reason why, and it's a good reason because NFTs, I mentioned this with AMC, and I mean, it's not only something that is solely related to GameStop, right? Because GameStop and AMC are trading following the same pattern. I mean, there is no news behind AMC, but guess what? Just because there is this news, AMC is already up, at this time 11%, but at some point it was up 15%. Same thing with costs, up 10%. Same thing with Bed Bath & Beyond, up 4 or 5% so far. It's because all of these plays, all of these stocks are shorted by the same people, whether they are the little short sellers or the big one like the Citadel and the Simplex trading at the top, So going back to this news, why is this such a game changer news? Well, first of all, because NFTs is kind of, a hype right now. You hear anything like, a picture. I'm just caricaturing, right? Picture being bought at $250, you mint it on the blockchain, meaning you put it on the blockchain, and it's now unique because it's on the blockchain, and boom, you can now trade it to somebody else at what, maybe 6 Ethereum. 6 Ethereum is already $20,000. From $250 to $20,000. That is a huge amount of profit. But this is just caricaturing and what people are seeing now, just to give you how much hyped this NFT is. But behind NFTs, you also have what we call utility. Because if I give you an NFT, I'm not just giving you a picture. This is just a token. It's just a symbol representing all of the benefits I'm giving you by owning that NFT. But when it comes to the metaverse, when it comes to video gaming, NFT is kind of the digital currency. All right. So that is entering cryptocurrency as well as a whole. And it's a very, 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 very lucrative market. So if GameStop has been able to pull this off, it means great thing coming ahead of GameStop. So what does it mean for the short squeeze for GameStop and for AMC? Because the two, again, are related. Well, when you see these such jumps after hours, it means people are buying, all right? People are interested. People are coming back to the play, or new people are coming to the play because they see value in the stock. They see value in the news. They see value in what this could bring to the company. It will bring a lot of money in terms of profits, but it will also bring, the potential of actually ending this whole thing, because if GameStop now issues its own NFT or its own cryptocurrency, because those are both are unique, and we have a dividend issued in it, it will have to force a share recall, meaning everybody not owning real shares will then have to buy those real shares, and that's how you can also cause that short squeeze. The other thing is, with these moves on AMC, for example, here, this buying pressure can force somebody who actually got in here around the $30, the $30 mark, and shorted it all the way down to 20. And that's how they can also be forced to get out, causing a gamma squeeze on top of another mini short squeeze. So it's very, very good across the board, not only for GameStop, but also for AMC, COS, Beth, Bed and Beyond. And that's why we're going to literally follow this closely as we get to pre-market tomorrow and during the actual trading session. But because, it's AMC, right? Anything can happen. It can still trade, tomorrow on the red session, because these bastards are just bastards.